What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great, I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, as you read the title, we are going to talk about how to handle losses when trading Forex. So if you're interested in this, make sure to stick till the end of the video to get the most value out of it. But before we start the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to not miss out on future uploads. Feel free to share and like the video, and if you have questions, as always, please drop them down below. Also, feel free to join my free signal group on Telegram. You can do that by clicking the link in my video description. And if you want to learn my strategies or book a one-on-one session with me, you can do that by DMing me privately on Telegram. You have my username link down below as well. And if you want to sign up with the broker I use, you can do that by clicking the link in my video description as well. Okay, so yeah, let's just get straight into the video, guys. I know this video might not get that much attention as the strategy videos or the how to pass ftmos one and whatnot, but I know that those people that turn up to this video and watch it, I know that you guys are very serious about it, and I respect it, and I really hope that this video will help you in your journey. Okay, so the reason I decided to make this video is because, I don't know, a few days ago someone messaged me on Telegram asking me something like, man, but aren't you afraid of losing when trading Forex? Like, when you enter a trade, aren't you afraid of it hitting your stop loss? And how do you go about that? And after that, I was like, man, I assume that so many people still are in this situation, which sucks. So that's exactly why I decided to make this video, to talk a bit about how you can handle losses better when trading Forex. Because look, I know some people say that, oh, you must be like a robot, you must be like a casino, you must have no feelings, but we are humans, at the end of the day, we all have feelings, we all have emotions, we cannot control that, like there's some people that are so used to it that it becomes like a routine, so it's not that hard anymore for them to lose a trade, or to have a losing day or losing week or a losing streak. It's something normal, and they get used to it. But for new people, like even for me, like I've been trading for a while now, but if when I lose, I cannot say I am happy, I cannot say I am happy. I am a bit down. I'm not gonna lie, but um, that's the thing. You have to get past it. You have to bounce back, and you have to respect your plan. So, in my opinion, the most important thing in order to handle losses when trading forex is discipline. Because also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day, or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. If you have a strict plan, a strict risk management, um, day after day, respecting that, that's a lot better. You will have a lot more chances to handle losses more better than much better than if you wouldn't have a good plan, a good discipline. Because a lot of traders do have good strategies, but they lack discipline. What does that mean? They either have a bad risk management plan, they either FOMO into trades, meaning that they want to get into trades even though the setup might not be there, or there might be some news releases that will affect the charts, but they still go in. That's a lack of discipline. And if you have all of these things in check, like if you have a fixed risk management plan, trading plan as well, because as I said, you must have a trading plan too. You cannot trade. You'll be like, oh, it's 5 a.m. Let me just see if I can catch a quick trade. Oh, it's 8 a.m. Let me see if I can catch another one. No, that's not how you should do it. You should have a fixed trading plan. When you go on the charts, search for setups, input them, and then that's it. Come back the other day. If there's setups, okay. If there aren't, don't force it, okay? Because like this, it's much easier to then handle some few losses, because if you have a fixed trading plan, a fixed risk management, and a profitable strategy, your losses are gonna be smaller and your wins will be bigger. And like this, you will be able to handle losses more more easily than if you wouldn't have a good discipline, okay? Another aspect on why people cannot handle losses and then they do mistakes like closing out early, closing out at break even, and then the trades go their way, is that they risk money that they cannot afford losing. So a lot of people, especially beginners, when they enter a sell setup, let's say, they want to enter a sell setup right here, they first look at the take profit and then they look at the stop loss. They look, oh man, this is a 1 to 3. If I have a 3 risk to reward ratio take profit, I will make I don't know, $300. But they don't think about the stop loss. They don't think that if this trade goes south and it hits their stop loss, they will lose $100. They just think about the winning, okay? And after that, when the trade goes in drawdown, minus 60, minus 70, minus 80, they just freak out. They freak out, they close early, and then the trade might just reverse and hit their take profit. And after that, it's like a domino effect. You know, like after that, when they see that the trade hit a profit, they will 100% FOMO in a trade that isn't there, a setup that isn't there, just so that they can be in a trade and try to recover what they lost here. And after that, what happens? You start losing. You lose, you lose, you lose, you lose, until eventually you either stop or you blow your account. Okay, I've been through this, so it's very clear for me that there's still a lot of people that go through this. And as I said, the best way to handle losses is to be disciplined, and of course, to risk money you can afford losing. Always think about the stop loss first. Man, if I enter this trade right here, how much do I want to lose? Okay, how much do I want to lose? Because look, when you deposit money on a broker account, that money is at risk. Okay, the second you deposit money in your broker account, that money is at risk. You don't have anything guaranteed. There's nothing guaranteed that you'll flip a $500 account into 5K or 2K. Okay, there's no guarantee for you. So once you deposit that money, just think of it as it's already lost. Okay, so that's how you should think of it. Because if you trade with money that you cannot afford losing, okay, money that you need for the bills, for food, for whatever you need, if you trade that money, trust me, man, it's gonna be a rough time for you. So first things first, deposit a amount you can afford losing, okay, like an investment. Because look, trading Forex and trading every asset, crypto, indices, when trading these assets, losses are always part of the game. Okay, it's like look, take it as a football team. Okay, even the best football teams, they still get losses, they still lose games. Okay, so there's nothing like, oh, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna win everything, I'm gonna have a 100% win rate and it's gonna be very, very easy. If it was this easy, trust me, man, everyone would have done it. Okay, so Forex is not about 100% win rate. It's not about winning every single time. Okay, it's about being disciplined, having an edge on the market that will give you profitability, and after that, be disciplined. Have a fixed risk management plan, have a fixed trading plan, have a fixed profit target that you want to hit every single week or every single day. And these things will help you handle losses much better. Okay, but the first things you have to do you have to tell to you have to ask yourself, man, how much money can I afford losing right now? Is it $500? Is it $1,000? After you determine that, then just deposit that amount on a broker account, or you can go for a prop firm account if you want to. And after that, you have to determine your risk management plan. Okay, how much do I want to risk every single trade? Okay, I want to risk 1% every single trade. After that, you know that every single trade that you enter, 1%, 1%, 1%. You risk only 1%. Okay, no matter the take profit, your risk will be always 1%. So in the worst case scenario, you will lose 1%. Okay, 1% of a 1K account is $10. Okay, so every single trade you will be risking $10. That might be comfortable for you. That's great. If it's comfortable for you, that's great. Okay, because that will help you handle losses much better. Whereas if you, let's say, have a 1K account and instead of 1% per trade, you will risk 10%. Trust me, your hands will shake. Your hands will shake when you will see a minus 60, minus $70 drawdown on one single trade. You'll be like, oh man, let me cut this short right now to not lose $100. And then sometimes it will just reverse and hit your take profit. And as I always say, after that, it's like a dominoes effect, and it won't benefit you at all. Okay. So yeah, that being said, guys, I really hope this video will bring some light to your trading journey and will help you achieve the things that you want to achieve. Before I continue with the video, guys, if you are looking for a broker to trade Forex with, indices or crypto, I highly recommend EuroTrader. You can sign up with them by clicking the link down in my video description. This is the broker that I am currently using. I had no issues with it. They offer spreads as low as 0 pips. They have different account types, leverage up to 500, and their customer support is amazing. They have credit card withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very professional about them, so that's why I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Okay, so link is down below. Feel free to sign up with EuroTrader. As I said, if you have questions, please drop them down below. I always check them out. And yeah, like these are the steps that will help you handle losses better. These are the things that I am using. I always risk money that I can afford losing, that I'm not afraid to lose. After that, I fix my risk management plan. After that, I fix my trading plan. After that, I fix my profit target, and then I just trade. If I lost the trade, I lost it. If I win, I win. Okay, I'm not saying I'm like a robot. I still have feelings. I still feel bad sometimes when I lose trades. It's totally normal, but the most important thing for me is to be disciplined and to stick to my plan. If I am doing that, I am happy. If I'm not doing that, I'm not happy. Even though I'm losing and I'm still sticking to my plan, I know that on the bigger picture, I will be in profit. Okay? It's normal to have losing trades. It's normal to have some few losing streaks, a bad day. All of this is normal. Okay? As I said, in Forex, losing is always part of the game and will always be. There will never be a holy grail strategy that will give you a 100% win rate. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. As always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.